In the heart of Europe lies a country surrounded by mountains, music, history, and breathtaking natural beauty, Austria. A land where alpine landscapes meet elegant cities, and where every season transforms the scenery into something unforgettable. From peaceful villages and crystal-clear lakes to historic streets and majestic mountains, Austria feels like a destination taken straight from a storybook. Austria is famous for its stunning alpine scenery. Towering mountains rise above green valleys, while rivers, forests, and waterfalls create peaceful landscapes in every direction. During winter, snow covers the Alps and transforms the country into a magical winter wonderland. In spring and summer, colorful meadows bloom beneath the mountains, while fresh air fills the valleys. Autumn paints the forests with golden shades, creating cinematic views across the countryside. Nature in Austria feels calm, pure, and unforgettable. Austria's cities combine elegance, history, and culture. In Vienna, grand architecture, historic palaces, and beautiful streets reflect centuries of art and tradition. The city moves with a quiet sophistication, filled with cafes, music, museums, and timeless charm. In Salzburg, the birthplace of Mozart, history and music can be felt in every corner. Meanwhile, Innsbruck sits peacefully among the mountains, blending urban life with breathtaking alpine scenery. Austria is deeply connected to music, art, and classical culture. From historic concert halls to street performers and traditional festivals, creativity is part of everyday life. The country is also known for its warm cafes, delicious pastries, and peaceful lifestyle. People gather to enjoy coffee, conversations, and the slower rhythm of life surrounded by beautiful scenery. Across Austria, tradition and modern living exist together in perfect balance. Austria's lakes and villages are among the most beautiful in Europe. Small towns rest beside crystal-clear lakes, surrounded by mountains and forests that reflect perfectly on the water. Wooden houses, flower-covered balconies, and quiet streets create scenes that feel peaceful and timeless. Whether during sunrise, snowfall, sunset evenings, every moment feels cinematic. Traveling through Austria reveals breathtaking scenery at every turn. Mountain roads wind through valleys, while trains pass beside lakes and snowy peaks. The Austrian Alps attract visitors from around the world for skiing, hiking, and outdoor adventure. Yet, even the quietest moments, standing beside a lake or watching clouds move above the mountains, become unforgettable experiences. Austria's history can be seen everywhere. Castles, churches, palaces, and historic towns preserve centuries of European heritage and architecture. From imperial landmarks in Vienna to ancient Alpine villages, Austria carries a strong connection to its past while embracing modern life. Every building and every street tells a story. As this journey through Austria comes to an end, one thing becomes clear. Austria is more than just beautiful scenery. It is a country where nature, culture, and history exist together in perfect harmony. A place where mountains touch the clouds, where music fills historic streets, and where every season creates unforgettable beauty. From alpine landscapes and peaceful lakes to elegant cities and timeless culture, Austria leaves behind memories that last forever. This is Austria, peaceful, elegant, and truly breathtaking.